Okay, it's time now to take a look at a future high school football star who is already getting major attention in recruiting. Let's go next level with Dallas Morning News reporter Joseph Hoyt.
Pat, a couple weeks ago I told you about Frisco Liberty sophomore quarterback Keldrick Luster, a player who's really burst on the scene in 2020. This week I want to talk about his favorite weapon, five-star wide receiver Evan Stewart, one of the most dangerous players in the country. If I was a defensive coordinator game planning against Evan Stewart, I wouldn't get any sleep. The reason, one defender is often not enough. Watch Stewart's film and you'll see why he's a five-star recruit and an Under Armour All-American. He effortlessly beats press coverage off the line of scrimmage, and by that point, it's often too late. His breakaway speed is elite, and his run after the catch ability is often on display on jet sweeps. The 6-foot receiver can also elevate with the best of them, another testament to his elite athletic ability. Stewart is currently rated as the number 5 wide receiver in the nation in 2022. And if you add all of this together, there's a reason why over 30 schools have already offered him scholarships. Stewart told me recently that he's been battling through some injuries in the 2020 season, but he's still averaging over 20 yards per catch. Still, only one look at his ability would explain why over 30 colleges have already offered the junior.